Hi everyone, today problem is common in Volkswagen, Seat and Skoda. This is Skoda Octavia. You can see the light, the yellow light. This light doesn't mean the handbrake. It means this brake sensor in the front brakes. The problem is the companies sometimes sell you the brakes without the sensor. It's supposed to come with it. So the mechanics will exchange everything and just forget or lose the sensor itself. You can see the brand new rotors and brakes, but it's supposed to come here. New brake sensor, so they fix it by hooking the wires together. Actually it's supposed to be new sensor, so meanwhile it was my friend's car. I just hook it up again because he have also inspection, and this the problem of the mechanics, not his, because he paid a lot. You can see the new rotors. So this is the speed sensor and ABS, because it's common mistake also when people see this sign they mix it up with the handbrake. So what I did is just like hook the wires again until he ordered the new brake sensor, and this is actually not his fault, because the kits, the new front brake for the Skoda Octavia or Volkswagen, the old models, it should come with the front sensor. So this is the treatment for the meantime. It's not like, of course, the ideal. Just put it back in the hook here. It should supposed to be with the hook, and then hook up in the caliper itself. So this will remove the sign meanwhile until you fix this. And just to be careful, next time you change your front brakes, just make sure that you have the front brake sensor on the left side. Hope you like it, enjoy it, and like and subscribe, and see you in other videos. You see the problem is solved. So for the meantime, bye bye.